Okay, here's a short update on the Ridetech SLA on the Foxbody install. We recently did the IRS on the back, and I ran into some medical issues. My ankle's messed up, so I haven't been able to work on it. But here it is installed. There's wires going through it at the moment, so you got to kind of imagine what it will be like. Pretty nice kit. Overall, the front goes on really easy. Way less work than, say, the IRS on the rear, but overall not bad. Fitment on the front is pretty awesome. I did add a 1-inch K-member spacer that even Ridetech doesn't know if it'll work, just because the Whipple has some hood clearance issues, but everything's together. The Maximum Motorsports K-member does have 2 sets of lower control arm mounting points that you could theoretically raise that up and get rid of some of that, but I just went with the normal ones. The Ridetech kit itself adds a 1/4 inch of K-member spacer just because of this C-channel up top is a 1/4 inch, and so they provide you with a rear K-member spacer that's also a 1/4 inch, which isn't like that from the factory. So that plate's not guaranteed to stay in there as far as K-member spacer. It can be removed. Might lose a little bit of positive camber gain, but we have a lot of adjustment up top with the camber static wise. But at ride height, at full droop, it does put a little bit of a severe angle on the upper ball joint, but unless you're ramping train tracks, you really don't have nothing to worry about, because at ride height, the ball joint and arms almost parallel with each other, so you have plenty of working angle as long as you're not ramping shit. This one does use the SN style Cobra adapter for the brakes, so it has just PBR twin piston calipers and 13-inch rotors for now. When I'm able to get to the other kit to install it, when my ankle gets a little better, it will be using the S550 2015 Up Mustang Brembos. I know this one's not really in depth on how to install it, but it's basically, you put this C-channel over the frame rail, it bolts to the K-member like so. You got some captured bolts that are replaceable on the back with plenty of room for spacing for an alignment. And then the lowers just use their aluminum spacers, which they provide a lot of. The control arm's not tight on this right now. You can see a gap, but it you just center it up per the directions and shim it up and tighten it. So it's pretty straightforward. It's not really an install video per se, it's just an update. So I don't know, check back for more when I'm actually able to work on it again.